Are we going? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we got a new family member. His name is Ruben. Ruben. His name is
So did you give that to Bob or did you lay it on the porch?
Ruben.
Huh?
I gave it to Jerry. And I like to pet him. His name is Ruben. I like to pet him. I like to pet him. I like to pet him.
Alright.
Okay.
It's time to put him up for a nap. Really?
Dang.
Fucking dark, yeah. No,
Here is my little friend. Friend. My brother is weird.
Oh, really?
Shelfie.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't, Jerry.
Okay. Shelfie. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding.
Hey, what are you doing?
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Do, 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 do,
Alright,
do, do.
time to put him up.
Do 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 do.
Jerry, we have to feed him.
Bye, everybody. That's the end of this video. And put down in the comment and put it down in the comments below what you want to see next. Okay, guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next one. Do.